Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to download videos from Facebook, TikTok and Instagram. Facebook, TikTok and Instagram. So I'm going to split the video into three so that it will be easy for you to understand. And you can do this from your mobile device, okay, from your mobile phone. So before we get started, make sure you come to my YouTube channel and smash the subscribe button. If you have not done so, turn on the notification bell, that way you will not miss any of my upcoming videos. So without further ado, let's get into it guys. So the first thing you want to do is to look for the video that you want to download. So let's say you want to download from Facebook now. Go to facebook.com or your Facebook app. So once you open it, let's look for a particular video that we want to download. So let's search for a group. Okay, so we are here.
This is a watertight wallet for a full of sport and adventures lifestyle.
I want to download this video. Click on the video you want to download. Then you see where they write copy. Let me just use this to describe what I'm talking about. So you see this symbol here? That is the copy symbol. So you're going to click on that. So say link to post copied to clipboard. So now you head over to our browser and you go to this website. fdown.net. So all you just need to do is to paste. You remember the one we just copied now, the link we just copied, put it here. So let's paste it there. Paste. Then click on download. So you can see video, no video title. That is not a problem. Then you now select the quality you want to download. You can see first download SD. So you just click on any of the option you want, either in normal quality or in HD quality or in SD quality. So I prefer SD quality, so I just hit on force download SD. You can close this ads. So you can see it's downloading now. So that's how to download from video from Facebook. So in my next video I'm going to show you how to download from TikTok and also how to download from Instagram. So let's allow this video to finish downloading. Then I'm going to show you where you can locate the video in your phone. Okay, so let's just allow it to download. So you can see the video has finished downloading. So how do you locate it on your phone? So we're going to do this. Let me just go to your phone, see File Manager. Okay, under File Manager you're going to see videos. So you can see visit. So here they write no video title, fdown.net. So that is the video.
You'll definitely like these gadgets. This fidget toy with an integrated circle ruler will help you relieve stress.
Alright guys, so that's how to download from Facebook. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to come back to my YouTube channel and smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell if you have not done so. And in the next video I'm going to show you how to download from TikTok and Instagram. So till we meet again guys, keep winning.